Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings, Alishan Mo here. With all the other RC video reviews appearing on my channels, including AA RC Adventures, RC Planes, FPV Flights, RC Boats, DIY RC project videos, I have not forgotten about RC car fans, RC car lovers. So I'm going to bring you more entertaining RC car videos, surface RC videos, and surface FPV videos on my channels next. Starting today with this sweetest new JJRC Q46 speedrunner RC desert buggy has caught my attention. JJRC has come a long way and they have stepped up their game for sure with the release of Q46. Now once again, what attracted me towards getting this truck wasn't its badass looks. I mean, anybody can make badass looking RC vehicles. The thing that I considered most was its chassis, its cage design that is perfectly suited for surface FPV, because that's what I want to do. I want to install an FPV camera system in there with probably a servo for pan, and then go ahead enjoy FPV driving and FPV trailing. First, of course, I will go ahead and review it completely stock and show you what a complete stock JJRC Q46 is capable of. And of course, by doing so, we will also put JJRC claims for quality, for performance, for durability to their tests. Before we get it out and get it really dirty, let me bring the camera closer and give you a closer look at this truck. We'll take the shell off and I will show you what's inside and under the hood, what's hidden under the hood. We will talk about this feature, and then of course we'll bring it out and get it really dirty. That's what I plan to do before I actually do upgrades or mods on this one. I want to test it thoroughly and see what this truck is capable of. Alright, let's talk about the features of this truck. Starting from outside, I have already spoken about the appearance. This is one of the coolest appearance, and that is what actually attracts a lot of people towards this truck, which is not bad. I would say it looks like a very neat idea for this whole shell and chassis design and outside cage design. This is really unique, really badass, and really attractive. What attracted me more was this interior design, which has an authentic dashboard. I mean, a detailed dashboard right here, racing seats already installed. There's plenty of space for you to install FPV system or HD cameras inside. Also, you want to notice that it has working LED lights. These very modern lights, they have LEDs installed here. Of course, the top light bar, this has all the LEDs installed inside, and they are really very bright LEDs. Check this out, a shot taken at night. These LED lights illuminate your way really nicely, and you can easily drive even at night, especially if you have an FPV camera inside and you go for night FPV driving and FPV trailing. That's gonna be really very realistic. Coming to the tires for this truck, these are anti-slip, high grip, shock absorbing rubber tires. Wheels are really nice and matched with the red color. I'm simply loving the looks on it, and the red is my personal favorite color. Alright, you don't have to open everything from here. Just remove 4 screws from under the truck and you can pull the whole shell backward, which makes it very easy to fix various stuff inside without have to opening everything around the truck. Okay, so this is all the under the shell. This is all the secret JJRC has put in there. I was really interested to see what makes this truck really heavy on the front side. It does have some weight to it. So you have a 540 class, a big brushed motor installed here, which looks like an easy replacement with a brushless motor. If you want to replace this motor and upgrade this truck to brushless system, well, it's gonna be easy, I believe. You can replace this motor, find the same size motor that fits into this motor mount, and you will be done. Of course, you will have to replace the ESC to brushless ESC as well. So this is going to be easy thing to do in the future if you want to upgrade it to the brushless truck. For now, it's a brush system and I want to test it as it came with the brush system. So ESC is all-in-one ESC. So all-in-one ESC and receiver control installed here. LED lights power coming from this ESC right here. We have the two shocks right here, as you can see. I mentioned for the front shock absorbing systems, as I mentioned, these were horizontally laying shocks. This is how they work, which is a neat system, I believe, and does its job very well, providing very good and soft suspension. Now, one more thing I see right here is a kind of big heat sink. I have no idea what is this and what kind of heat sink is installed right here and why did they install it right here. Now, my idea says this is not a heat sink. This is basically weight. This is what makes this truck heavy. They put this weight here in order to balance the center of gravity on this truck, so the truck will offer you a balance on-road and off-road performance. This is all I can say at the moment, because this is not a kind of thing that is connected to any motor. If it was a heatsink, it should be right here on the motor. So basically, these are simply weight to balance the CG. That's all I could say. There's a 25-gram steering servo that provides a very fast steering control response. That's what I have seen in my early indoor drive when I was testing this truck. Now, for the drivetrain on this truck, is running a four-wheel drive system using a rear universal drive shaft, and on the front it has a straight drive shaft to the front differentials. The front and rear differentials are beveled gear differentials, and on the rear it has a straight axle to provide you better traction and better power delivery to the vehicle. Alright, thank you very much for watching this lengthy video. Now the only thing left is to test how good it performs, how well it performs, how well it handles the different terrain, how good is its off-road performance, and how much fun it can be. Not to mention, the most important thing is how long it will last. That is the durability of this truck. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button.